Hello everyone. Today we will start with the lesson 6th of workbook, The Old Sage and the Brothers. First of all, in the first question, give the meaning of the given words in Punjabi or Hindi. पहला शब्द है journey, yatra, going from one place to another or trip. Then snatched, खो लेना, taken back. पोल्ट्री मुर्गी पालन फार्म या फाउल रियरिंग. देन डिनाई मना करना, रिफ्यूज. ग्रांटेड प्रदान कीता या फिर अलाउड. नेक्स्ट यूज द गिवन वर्ड्स इन मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੀਨਿੰਗਫੁਲ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵਰਡਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰਕੇ. Summoned, the king summoned his ministers. Magic, it can be done by doing magic. Annoyed, he is annoyed. Promise, always keep your promises. Sage, the sage took away his gifts from me. Now, in the third exercise, match the words given in column A with the words in column B. Rich farmer will be matched with, in column B, 3 lazy sons. Harry, magic cloth. He was given a magic cloth. Raman, piece of stick. Sandeep, piece of rope. Old sage, granted wishes. Next, answer the following questions in one sentence or in one word. Who summoned his 3 lazy sons? किन्ने अपने 3 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਲਸੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ 3 ਆਲਸੀ ਬੇਟੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ. Answer is a rich farmer summoned his 3 lazy sons. What were the names of his 3 sons? ਉਹਦੇ 3 ਬੇਟਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਸੀ? Harry, Raman, Sandeep. Third question is, what was the second wish of Harry? Harry ਦੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਨੋਕਾਮਨਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਸੀ? Answer is Harry's second wish was to have 10 cows. What did the sage given Raman? Sage ने Raman ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ? The sage gave Raman a piece of stick. Sage ਨੇ Raman ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਛੜੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ. Who didn't break his promise? ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਿਨਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੋੜਿਆ? Sandeep did not break his promise. Next, tell if the underlined word is infinitive or gerund. He promised to come. To come here is infinitive. Swimming is a good exercise. Here swimming is a gerund. To err is human. To err is infinitive. My mother loves cooking. Here cooking is gerund. He is too weak to walk. Here to walk is infinitive. Pick out the infinitive in the following sentences. Ravi agreed to help me. Here to help is infinitive. I watched her dance. Here dance is infinitive. It is bare infinitive. That means it is without to, but it is infinitive. She is hard to please. Here to please is infinitive. He made me repeat the lessons. Repeat is infinitive. It is again bare infinitive. The man is too honest to cheat. Here to cheat is infinitive. Now gerunds. And circle the gerunds in the following sentences. Stealing is a crime. Stealing is gerund. I enjoy reading poetry. Reading is gerund. He is fond of riding. Riding is gerund. Geeta enjoys playing badminton. Playing is gerund. Collecting stamps is his hobby. Collecting here is gerund. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct gerund or infinitive form in the of the verbs given in the help box. Work, walk, get, shop, criticize have been given in your help box. And first of all, we will make gerund out of this, and then we have to fill the blanks. ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੈਰੈਂਡ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜੈਰੈਂਡ ਫਾਰਮ ਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ, ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਬਲੈਂਕਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚ ਭਰਾਂਗੇ। I enjoy shopping with friends. She was too tired to work. To get up early is a good habit. To criticize others is an easy job. Walking is good for your health. Next, match the verb forms of the words with their noun forms. Write the answers in the space provided. Deny, denial. Propose, proposal. Decide, decision. Amuse, amusement. Move, movement. Believe, belief. Grow, growth. Revise, revision. Advise, advice. CE. Attend, attention. Marry, marriage. Differ, difference. Complete, now writing skill is complete the dialogue between the old sage and Raman. The old sage said, there is no boat, how will I cross the stream? Raman, don't worry, I shall help you. The old sage again asked, how? Kime? Raman कह रहा है, I shall carry you on my back. मैं तैनू अपनी पिठ ते बिठा लांगा। The old sage फिर पूछ दे रहा है उन्होंने कुछ, वो कह रहा है, here is a gift for you. ये तेरे वास्ते एक मेरे कोल एक उपहार है। Raman, what is this? Raman पूछ रहा है की है? The old sage, it is a magic stick. ये एक जादुई छड़ी है। Raman कह रहा है, a magic stick? Old sage कहता है, it will grant you 2 wishes. ਇਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ 2 ਇੱਛਾਵਾਂ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਕਰੇਗੀ। Raman, oh, thank you so much. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। Next, imagine you are Harry. Write a letter to Sandeep narrating your feelings after your gifts were snatched away from you. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਰੀ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੰਦੀਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਚਿੱਠੀ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਉਹ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਗਟ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਚਲੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਅਕਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਚਿੱਠੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੈ। First of all, you have to write the address. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ। House number 22 AB Road, then Moga. City लिखनी है तो city में Moga लिखती है। Date June 10th 2021. Dear Sandeep, how are you? I think you must be in high spirits. You know it very well that my gifts were snatched away from me. I was rightly punished because I could not keep my words. I did not help the poor and the needy. The riches turned my head and made me selfish. Now I have realized my mistake and decided to work hard in life. I will keep my promises in future. May God always keep you happy and prosperous. Yours, Harry. Next, this is based on your listening exercise. Who set out on his journey? The old sage. Fill in the blank. Went to visit his brothers. Sandeep went to visit his brother. D option is correct. Did he find his brothers? No. That means B option is correct. The brother did not help the poor. Who was as good as his word? Is Sandeep. Now, newspaper, it is again a listening exercise. You have to choose the correct option. Newspapers are a good source of information. They tell us what has happened in the world. The news caters to all interests. They offer you not only views but guide you also. Newspapers have become an important part of modern life. These are very much essential for us. So, after listening to it, we have to take the right option. Newspapers are a good source of information. C option is correct. Tell us what has happened in the world. D option is correct. The news caters to all interests. A option is correct. They offer you not only views but guide also. D option is correct. Newspapers have become an important part of modern life. Now it is all about your worksheet 6th of class 8th. Thank you. Thank you so much.